In this video, we're going to cover the different options that you can use when you want to download scan data from the FJD Trion P2 scanner. We're going to cover downloading directly to your mobile device, downloading to an external USB drive, and also downloading directly to your PC. Let's look at the first option where we download directly to our mobile device. We'll power on the scanner, connect to a mobile device, and show you how this works. The scanner is on. We'll simply switch it to AP mode. On AP mode, we'll then now go on our mobile device. And then select the scanner's Wi-Fi hotspot. We'll then key in the password. Then select connect. We'll allow for a few seconds. Tap for options, then select don't ask again, then select yes. We will now proceed to the FJD Trion Scan app. On the scan app, we will either add the device or we will select our device if it is visible. Our device is visible, we'll select on it to connect to the device. We have now connected to the device. We'll go under File to see the scans that we have collected. We'll select the options icon, then select Download. We'll select the files that we want to download, then select Download to Local. We can select the download status to view the status of the download. The files have now been successfully downloaded. You can either choose to copy them from your mobile device or share them in whatever option you think is applicable. For sharing, you can share them via WhatsApp, email, or upload them to a drive. Let's now look at the second option. The second option will download to a USB drive. For downloading to a USB drive, you will need a USB drive that is formatted to NTFS file system and also this extension that comes with the scanner. You will open the USB port on the side of the scanner, plug in the extension cable, then plug in your USB drive. Your USB drive will now be visible on your Trion scan. You can then select Download and then select the USB option. Select the files you want to download, then select Download to USB. Select on the USB option to see the downloading status. As you can see, all files have been downloaded. This is how you go about downloading to a USB drive. Let's now look at the third option where you download directly to your PC. To download to your PC, you will first connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the scanner on your PC. Enter the password. Then select Next. Open your browser and key in the IP address of the scanner. You are now on the scanner's web user interface. You can go to Files, select on Options, then select Download. Select the files you want to download, then select Download to Local. Your files are now downloaded directly to your PC. We have now covered all three options, from downloading to your mobile device, downloading to a USB drive, and downloading to a PC.